Hello, yeah, I thought I'd do one last video blog before we go on holiday. And since it's been a bit cold and just generally not very nice, I thought I'll do something that I did once before, but last time I did it, I only did 9 miles, and this time I've done 9 miles just to get here, so I've got at least the same to go again. So to say I'm getting a little bit warm is an understatement. That probably gives you a bit of a clue what I've just done. Yeah, see, I'm in my levers again. There we go. Now just to prove I'm definitely my levers, just bear with me 1 minute, just put the camcorder down a bit. See, definitely in my levers. So now what I've got to do is get my cycling boots off and then fully change into my motorcycle gear. This will be exciting, won't it? Flip, ta-da! Got the boots! Pull over. So that only leaves the helmet and of course the gloves to go. And now for the gloves. And there we go! One fully levered up Gordon. Now, some of you will probably say, do you definitely cycle here, just to prove it? There's my bike, and as you can see, I've got 2 panniers, bags which are completely full to get all the stuff in it. Getting the helmet in takes up 1 complete bag, and then I put the gloves inside of it. And then the boots and the camera fit in the other bag. Now, as you can tell, I'm just a little bit hot. And there we go. I'm going to get going now, and I hope you all enjoy this video blog, and I'll speak to you all when I do another one. Bye for now. Bye.